Hey crafty friends, I'm Carla from Carla Arlene Creations, and I just got a Amazon order and I wanted to share with you what was inside the box. I've already taken everything out of the box because I thought it would be easier to share it with you, so I'm just going to show you what I got. So the first thing I got was a thing of white liquid pearls. I use these on cards to give dimension and stuff in other projects. And then I'm going to put the camera down so you can see this better, because if I hold it up, it'll give a glare. So I got these ink pads. They're all different colors, and I thought these were pretty cool. So I can add them to my ink stash. And I'm probably going to have to order a holder to put all these in, because I don't believe the thing I'm using right now is going to hold this. But I thought these would be cute to use for cards and other printable projects that I am designing. It gives me a variety of colors. And another thing I ordered was this. This is a tray. There's actually 3 of them in here that you can use for when doing shaker cards or fake bakes or anything. And then you can pour your shaker pieces back into the containers. So, and they give you three of them, 2 sizes. So I thought I'd try these out. And then the other thing I got was this, and what it is with my keyboard out of the way here, so you can see they're alcohol inks. So and you can use them on cards and printables and stuff. And they come with dual tips. There's the fine tip. And there's the fat tip. And the nice part is they have the color written on them. So that'll help me out in trying to figure out colors. But I have some ideas for some cards I want to design and some other things, and I thought these would be cool to use because you can, from what I've read, you can use them on vellum to color vellum in, and so it's giving me some ideas for some stained glass designs. So I will add links to all the supplies that I showed you today in the video description below, so that you can go to my Amazon storefront, and if you want to purchase them, you can. I will get a commission for anything you purchase, but it doesn't change your price. It just it's an affiliate link, so it'll help me out if you use my affiliate links, so that I can make a little bit of money that way too. So I will put that below in the video description, and I look forward to crafting with you soon. Happy crafting!